I think one of the things we pride ourselves on at On's Dry Cleaning is, we're always innovating. We're always trying to come up with new ideas and really beyond just new flavors of gelato, but, completely new experiences.
We are Mia Sorella Chimney Cakes. We are a mobile Hungarian bakery. Our pastry is very unique. It's a yeast dough that is freshly baked. And it's really cool that we get the opportunity to partner it up with A2C Gelato. I think this is a very unique idea, bringing the only chimney cakes in San Diego and the veg gelato.
We've had a line most of the day, and I think people are really loving the gelato and the way it pairs with the chimney cakes.
It was a great turnout. We had a great time. People seem to loved it.
The feedback that we've got from everyone is that the chimney cakes and gelato go delicious together, and it's something that we'd be excited to do.